Economic uncertainty. We're helping you get the facts on tariffs. Today, let's talk about the impact on local businesses, especially appliances like your AC units. Simply put, expect prices to go up. Here's why. VL Appliances in West Palm Beach says it has stopped shipments from China. The outlet store uses foreign goods to make its own brand. They sell washing machines, AC units, and refrigerators. Right now, Chinese imports into the U.S. face a 145% tariff. And the store says as a result, prices on outlet items could go up about 15 to 20%. They say not making their own brand significantly impacts business.
If we would have our own brand, I'm almost positive that our sales would go up at least 10 to 20%. Because our prices are much better, quality is better, and we would be able to actually hire more people.
Right now, there's a 90-day pause on foreign import reciprocal tariffs from other countries. But here's the thing, China is not included in that deal. Sunday, the president said there could be trade deals announced. Outside of appliances, though, wood, steel, and aluminum prices may also go up. Here in Florida, we know that's important as we get close to hurricane season. So I'll break down how that could impact the cost of preparing tomorrow at 6 a.m. Erin?
All right.